I want to talk about one of the greatest challenges our world facing, climate change. It is no longer just a disease problem. It is a crisis that affects our daily lives. Climate change brings storms, typhoons, rising sea levels, drought, and extreme heat. We see its effect everywhere. The environment, in our health, and even our economy. This issue reminds us that we share one home, and it's our responsibility to take care of it before it's too late. In recent years, our country has suffered from severe flood, powerful storm, and unpredictable weather. Many families lost their homes, farmers lost their crops, and people lost their lives. These events are not coincidence. There are a sign that Earth is getting weaker because of human activities such as pollution, deforestation, and overconsumption of our resources. We cannot ignore these warnings. As citizens, we must act now. Simple action like planting trees, reducing plastic waste, conserving electricity, and supporting clean energy can make us different. Schools and communities such as teach the importance of environment protection. Government must also strengthen laws against illegal logging, pollution, and irresponsible industries. Together, we can slow down the damage of protection our planet for future generations. Fighting climate change is not only the duty of scientists or leaders. It is everyone's duty. The Earth gives us life, and it's only right that give it care in return. Every small action counts when done with sincerity and purpose. Let us choose to be part of the solution, not the problem. Together, we can create a cleaner, safer, and gentler world for all.